Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen installation of the Vue project using CLI command prompt, and also there is another method also. Some people don't like the command prompt, so typing the commands and all those things they find it little bit of difficult, and Vue provides GUI, graphical user interface option also in order to create a project. Let's take this command and we will try to paste it here and press enter. So if you type this command, automatically immediately one new interface will be opened like this, so where you can create the project using the graphical user interface. It will take some time. After successfully running this command, you will get an option to open this URL localhost colon 800 with 800 port. When you open this one, you will be able to see like this. Now I will try to create a project. So if I create a project, it is in the D drive projects Vue. Now we will try to create a new project from here. If I try to create a new project, it will ask to type the name project folder. I will try to give hello world 2. Default package manager, you can take it as npm or default, you can leave it like this. Now you will type next. It will ask you to what is the default preprocessor you want to use. So we can use Babel loader and create a project. So it will take some time to create the project. It will install all the dependencies and it will create a project for us. After installing the plugins and all those things, now you will be able to see the project dashboard. Welcome to your new project. Here you'll be able to see the new project has been created. Now you can click on understood and you will be able to if you go to here, so these are all the plugins what it has installed in the project, and these are the dependencies, and here is the Vue CLI and tasks. If you go here, you'll be able to see the npm run serve, npm run build and all those things through the UI command. Previously we used to run here npm run serve like that. So in the same scenario we'll be able to see the option. Now we will click on run task. If you click on run task, it will try to run the command. What is nothing but it's a npm run serve. So it is running. So it is built. Here you will be able to see the loading symbol building. It is building. It is trying to building. So it's done. Build is succeeded. Now if you want to see the output, you can click on the button here. If you click on the output, you will be able to see that localhost it is running in 8080. Okay, so now you can click on this folder. You'll be able to see the Vue.js app here. So this is the process how we will be installing the new project using the Vue UI interface. Through command prompt also you can do, and also through UI interface also you do. But remember that this is in the beta interface actually, so this one will not support that much of to us. Coming in the future generations, it will be having total lot of features and all the things. Anyway, so some people who doesn't have that much of interest in using the command prompt and all the things, so they can have another approach so that they can use this Vue UI option. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.